We've been talking about it for a while, but now we're finally doing it. Back bumper and front bumper. I know everybody thought I was lying about even having it. I swear. We had it for a while now. Bounce house business. Okay, here we go. Just forgot to bring the winch. It's the Xeon 10S. But man, let's first get these bumpers on. And then we're gonna take it out for a test tomorrow. Okay, we're about to cut this fucking brand new car. Never even used the saw before. It got stuck before I even pushed the bitch.
Like, you can probably pull it this way.
You get one to cut yourself.
So you can see where it's hitting that
You
third.
could have done that a few minutes ago. Alright, perfect.
Watch out for your tire.
Fuck. That's gotta be the cleanest cut like ever made.
Straight out of the factory.
Oh yeah, that's definitely Jeep original right there. Cool. Doesn't even. See how we followed the line perfectly? Look at the line. See how we followed it perfectly?
Actually, bro, now that you're there, you can probably just even cut along that part even more. But you see, now this part's loose. But you can see you were hitting 3 panels. As soon as it hit this,
It fucked it up.
There's a bend in here. You can feel it.
Oh yeah, you can just see it from right here too. Yeah, we should go a little more because this thing, once it scrapes, well, we can't leave it that sharp regardless. It's gonna freaking mess up the tires like crazy. But just go straight through it, huh? But maybe go higher and just finish the cut the right way. What you think? You wanna give it a shot? Perfect.
You're gonna need to get a little bit more in, yeah, that way.
Hey, there's so much room back there. You can push that shit all the way in if you want.
Right here?
Yeah.
Make sure you bring it back down towards.
Gotcha, like
Yeah. Because you're gonna go straight back.
Yep, there you go. That's it.
I'm bringing it down slightly.
Yeah. No, you did it. You just you there. Yeah, there you go.
Actually, bro, right here, bro, I got a better idea.
What you
You can
Go for it.
get crazy, but watch. Get out. Pull it out.
She's like, I'm trying, bro.
Bro, just from here, just cut across this way.
Right? And then make it a second cut coming
Yeah.
It's already looking like a whole new Jeep. It's the Poison Spider bumper. There's the old one we just took off. This thing was pretty self-explanatory. Don't mind the instructions we got right in front of us. Just gotta straighten the cuts out with the grinder plate. Gotta level the bumper. Couldn't figure that part out yesterday.